Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to use Twilio API. So here, what you are going to do is we have to create an account first. So you just have to open any of your web browser, and then using the search bar, you just have to search for Twilio. Okay, and then after searching for Twilio, you'll be able to see this website. So you just have to click on this first result and it'd be directed to this page. What you're going to do now is to sign up for an account. So you just have to click on the start for free option, and then you just have to provide your details in the section. So your first name, last name, email address or password, or you can also sign in with or sign up with Google. And then after creating your account, you'd be able to see this section. So here, which best describes you. So if you're making a business or a government, a nonprofit, or hobbyists or students, you just have to select. And then what kind of business. After selecting your business, just go and click on the next option. Then how would you describe your rule? So I'm going to select product manager and click on next. And then how do you want to build with Twilio? Here with no code at all, so just click on next. And then what do you want to build with Twilio? So customer care, marketing, and then click on next. And then which channel are you interested in? So here we have SMS, WhatsApp, chat, voice, or email. So I'm just going to select WhatsApp for now and click on next. Now just wait for a couple of seconds and then you'd be able to see this activate your sandbox. You just have to acknowledge this one and click on confirm. That's right. So just wait for a couple of seconds. And as you can see right here at the left side of your screen, you have your settings. So currently we are on the messaging section. So this is the WhatsApp section. Let's go to our account dashboard first. So close this one and then go to your account dashboard. So here, get started with Twilio. So you have the verification section, notifications, and more. Okay, so you have your marketing, your customer care, and then the custom. Okay, so you just have to go here. Next is the messaging section or the phone number. So as you know, Twilio allows you to send messages, make calls, and even use video chats through one platform. Now let's go to the API. Here, go to the conversation section and then click on the try it out option. Okay, so here, this is your conversations API. We have the WhatsApp, the SMS, and then the chat. So let's start with the SMS. So when you click on the get started option, you have here two options. So you just have to select a use case. We have inbound customer support and mass or communication. So I'm going to use this inbound customer support. And then I just have to follow the rest of the steps. Okay, so get started with a registered or verified Twilio phone number. So in the SMS section, you have to have your number registered or verified to Twilio. So let's try the WhatsApp because I think we don't really need a verified phone number for this one. So here on the WhatsApp, I'm going to use this one. So first, of course, you have to connect it to your Twilio's WhatsApp sandbox. You just have to scan this code using your WhatsApp application or WhatsApp account on your phone. Okay, and then you just have to follow the rest of the step. So Twilio is a powerful tool that helps businesses communicate better with their customers. And one of the biggest advantage is the automation, which means you can set up messages to be sent automatically, saving time and effort. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helps solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.